So hey, hello and welcome back guys to a new video on Kavin FX. So in today's video I would like to share my weekly forex forecast for GBPUSD and USD index. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, if you guys followed my analysis last week, you guys would have made profit from my sell. Okay, as you guys can see, my support has been broken guys. The support that I mentioned last week on my weekly forex forecast video, the support has been broken and market has reached our second target guys. Okay, market has exactly reached that zone and market has finished there guys. Okay, I'll show you guys shortly and what's the market doing right now. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, USD index, I expected sell guys when the market was here. When I was analyzing, I told you guys that if market did a shooting star pattern here, short body, okay, a small body with a high shadow guys, then we can expect a drop. But as you guys can see here, market started moving up. You guys can see here the buy pressure. Okay, market started pushing up. Okay, we saw retracement here and then market started moving up guys. Okay, let me tell you, there's two reasons why the market moved here. Okay, let me take a screenshot first. So as you guys can see here first, market, okay, when I was analyzing, the market was here. I expected a drop, but that never happened guys. Okay, market started moving up. So you guys can see here the buy pressure from this doji itself, from the shadow itself, shadow or doji, two different things guys. Okay, some of them will call it shadow, some of them call it doji, whatever is it. So you guys can see here the buy pressure here is very strong and market pushed up. Retracement happened, as you guys can see here. Once market broke the resistance, retracement happened here and market started moving up to the next zone guys, to the next high here. Okay, so yeah, what's my move for USD index? Okay, just wait guys. Okay, that's my first thing. Because of the buy pressure, market started moving up. The second thing is, okay, let me erase first. Okay, the second thing is US market has reached its inflation. Okay, it's 40 years high, 4 decades high of inflation, and the Fed has take a decision on interest, increasing the interest rate, and this is why market moved up like this guys. Okay, market moved up like this. We pairs such as GBP, Euro was in a big selling off guys. Okay, that's why our GBP has reached our second target, and commodities such as gold, it started moving up guys. I think almost 4,000 pips guys. Okay, 4,000 points or 4,000 pips. I think I'm not good with the numbers. I'll tell you guys afterwards. So yeah, so you guys can see here interest rate. Because of the interest rate, market started moving up guys. Okay, let me tell you, okay guys, because of the interest rate, okay, the interest rate it will helps to contain inflation guys. As you guys can see here, US, the inflation has rise. Okay, so if the Fed increase the interest rate guys, okay, I'll do a separate topic on this. Okay, I'll do a separate video on this. Okay, I'll just roughly explain to you guys. Okay, if the Fed increase the interest rate, it will help to contain the inflation guys. As consumers, as you guys know, such as us, okay, we are the consumer guys, we will start spending less when the cost of borrowing rises guys. As you guys can see here, let me tell you an example. Okay, if you guys are going to a bank here, okay, if you guys are going to a bank, let's see guys, if the interest rate has been less, you guys will start, you guys will start borrowing the money guys. Okay, you will pay a small interest. Okay, if the interest rate has increased guys, okay, will you guys borrow the money or will you guys just save your money? Okay, second option, you guys will just go and save the money. Why? The interest rate is high guys, you will get a nice amount of interest guys. Okay, you will get a nice amount of interest. Okay, so you guys will be starting to save your money rather than spending, and this is how the government can contain the inflation guys. Okay, a simple explanation. I hope you guys understand this. Okay, so this is okay, when the consumer is spending less, this will boost the strength of the pair guys. Strength of the currency, which is US dollar. As you guys can see here, US dollar started moving up guys. That's why the first reason buy pressure here was quite strong. The second reason is because of the interest rate, which has been increased by the Fed guys. Okay, that's why USD index started moving up. Okay, so let me do a technical analysis right now. Okay, let me do a technical analysis. Let me erase this first. That's why guys, market moved up. So I hope you guys now know the reason why that market moved up like this guys. Okay, so as you guys can see here, market retrace, market moved up guys. Okay, and market reached this resistance zone here. Okay, so what's my move? Okay, there are potential guys for the market to drop. We can expect a move something like this to happen. Okay, if a move something like this is starting to happen, you guys have to monitor the market first guys. Okay, because we cannot confirm. Because why? Market can either way, market can start going like this as well. Market can start reaching its high around 104.8. Okay, market can start reaching its high, or market can dump from here so guys. Okay, that's why you have to be very careful here, and that's why break even, in all of my videos I'll be talking about break even guys. Okay, break evens is very important here guys. Okay, break even is very important, because when you're doing profit, I know some of you guys will like to make a lot of profit, which is me. I used to do a lot of profit and I used to do lost a lot of money also, guys. That's why I understand the market and I know how the market works. That's why I'll set my break even. Whatever trade I put, my buy or my sell, I'll make sure to set my BE, guys. Okay, if the market, if I'm doing profit more than 20 pips, I'll try to set my BE around 15 pips. I mean 25 or 30 pips. I'll try to set my BE around 15 pips, guys. Okay, I know you'll be asking me, okay, 30 pips you can close from 30 pips. Sometimes I'll place my stop loss, I'll place my TP a bit high, guys, around 40 or 50 pips. Okay, if there's luck for me, 50 pips will be hit, or if there's no luck for me, 15 pips. Either way, it's profit, guys. That's why break even is very important here. Rather than losing your money, you can secure partial amount. That's why break even is very important here. So yeah, for USD index, guys, potential is there for the market to rise because of the interest rate. Okay, market can, if the candle on Monday opens a bit up, we can see a retracement happen, and then we can see market moving this high, guys. Okay, that's what I can tell you right now, guys. If the candle opens a bit down below, okay, below, and we saw a selling pattern, pattern something like this occurred here, we can expect market to move down, guys. If market start moving down, currencies like GBP, Euro will start moving up, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Let me move on to GBPUSD. I hope you guys understand. If you guys have any doubt, make sure to comment me on the comment box below, guys. Okay, so as you guys can see here, pound, let me move to H4. That's where I was showing you guys. Okay, as you guys can see here, this zone, okay, this zone here, let me place oh, not this, sorry, let me place my box here. Okay, this zone was acting as quite a support, guys. This zone was quite a support for the market, and as you guys can see here, after the interest rate, a nice breakout happened and market started moving down. Market reached our second zone here, guys. Okay, our second zone here, first zone, second zone. Second zone has been broken, market has reached its zone, and there are potential zone, which is our third zone for the market to reach, guys. If USD index started moving up, creating higher high, market can reach to that zone. And remember, guys, I hope you guys never forget this zone here, 1.2020, guys. Okay, let me yeah, this zone here, guys. I hope you guys remember this zone. Okay, when market was giving us a nice drop such as this, they expected market to come here and rebounds, but market started moving up here, guys. This was a support, so as you guys can see here, this is a support. Market started moving up, but potential is there for the market to come down, guys. As you guys can see here, the pattern itself, okay, for the past year, okay, from last year itself. Let me take a screenshot first, guys. Okay, it's quite small, the candle. That's why I'm taking a screenshot to make sure you guys understand this fully. You guys can see here the past from last year to this year, market is in a falling pattern, guys. Okay, US economy is quite strong, market is in a falling pattern, so we can expect a falling pattern to happen. So guys, market can break this zone here, market can break this previous zone here, 1.21, I'm not sure, 1.21 or 9. Okay, 1.21 or 9, market can reach to 1.20. There are zones, okay, there are potential zones for the market to reach. And yeah, so as you guys can see here, market is quite in a dropping pattern, so potential are there for the market to break this and move down, guys. Okay, that's in my higher view. Okay, in my higher if I'm watching this in a higher time frame, like if you guys are a weekly trader, or if you guys are I mean not monthly, okay, I would say monthly, guys. Okay, weekly trader or monthly trader, there are potential for market to reach there, guys. Okay, if you guys are a daily trader, the zones such as this, as you guys can see, our second zone has been broken, market has reached here. So yeah, market can reach here. So okay, from a daily perspective, market can reach here. Okay, if market started to rebound here, remember, guys, market finished in a doji here, okay, in a sell pattern candle here. But if you guys are seeing a potential, candle engulfing this zone here, okay, let me tell you something like this, guys. Okay, let me take a screenshot first. Okay, so yeah, something like this, guys. If you are experiencing sorry, not this, guys, I mean, yeah, let me take, okay, so yeah, if you are seeing a pattern something like this, okay, a candle engulfing this, something like this happening here, we can expect market to reach its zone, guys. 1.24 will be our first zone, because why? This is a support. Okay, when a support has been broken, it will be act as a resistance. When a resistance has been broken, it will be act as a support, so we can expect market to move up, guys. Okay, if USD index is going down, if USD index is going up to the higher high that I mentioned, I mean to the higher, to the high, guys. Okay, to the high, then we can expect market to come around 1.219, guys. Okay, remember the zone. I hope my drawing is clear for you guys. Okay, let me erase this. I'm repeating this once again, guys. Listen carefully. So if market, okay, if market USD index starts falling down from the zone that I mentioned, okay, we can expect market to move here. 1.24 will be your zone. If you guys are willing to take your buy, I will say it's risky because it's a selling market, but if you are willing to take a buy, make sure to set your stop loss around 30 to 40 pips, guys. Remember, 30 to 40 pips your stop loss, okay? Because the risk, the bigger the risk, the bigger, the bigger the reward, the bigger the risk, guys, okay? That's a short thing, guys, share a word on the markets here. So that's why 30 to 40 pips, but your profit is around 70 pips, guys, 70 to 80 pips, which is a good thing here, okay? Which is a nice thing, guys, okay? So yeah, stop loss around 30 to 40 pips, okay? Your TP will be around 1.24, guys, okay? 1.244, it's up to you, but I'll give you 1.24. From what I can see, market can retrace and then market can give us a drop, guys. Till bet is 1.21. Okay, if market reach to that zone, and if you guys are seeing that market is struggling to break that zone, then you guys can place your sell, and there, if you are placing your sell there, the stop loss is around 30 to 40 pips, guys. Same stop loss, okay? Sell around 1.24, 1.242, okay, 24.2. So yeah, that's what, guys, I can say right now, okay? Market can, either way, market can move up to market can retrace from that zone, market can start moving up to retrace, or market can start moving down to this zone here, guys, okay? Potential are there, okay? This zone has been broken, guys. So yeah, this zone or this zone here around 1.219, okay? So yeah, that's it. I would like to end today's video, guys, okay? I know I'm talking a lot. If you guys are confused, make sure to comment down in the comment box below, guys, okay? So yeah, to those who made profit, congrats, guys, and don't forget to share it in my Instagram here, KavinFX, guys, KABINHFX, okay? The one which is the one which has image there, guys, okay? You guys can go and search my account there, okay? I would have posted around 30 pictures, okay, about my videos there, so you guys can go and search my Instagram ID there, and you guys can share me your profit. So yeah, I would like to end today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Adios and bye.